Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Peloton enthusiast like me, you know that keeping your bike in top shape is key to getting the most out of your workouts. Today, we're diving into how to calibrate a Peloton bike in 2025. Whether you're setting up a new bike or troubleshooting accuracy issues, calibration ensures your resistance levels and metrics are spot on for precise tracking. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. First things first, make sure your Peloton bike is powered on and you're logged into your account. Grab your tablet or screen, it's the heart of the calibration. Head over to the settings menu by tapping the gear icon in the top right corner. Once there, scroll down to Device Settings or Bike Calibration, which might have been updated in the 2025 software for even smoother performance. Now, select the calibration option. The bike will prompt you to begin, so follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You'll need to pedal at a steady pace, typically around 80 to 100 RPM, as the system checks your resistance and speed sensors. Don't worry if it feels a bit techy, the bike does most of the work. If you encounter any errors, like sensor not detected, double-check your connections and try restarting the device. After the calibration runs its course, which usually takes 1 to 2 minutes, the screen will confirm if everything's good to go. Test it out by jumping into a quick ride and monitoring your metrics. If things still feel off, repeat the process or contact Peloton support, they're super helpful. Calibrating regularly, say every few months or after moving your bike, can prevent frustration and keep your workouts accurate. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness tips. Ride on. Word count 345.